Unknown facts about Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is one of the proud sons of India who was the first one to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature from Asia. This multi-talented personality is at once a philosopher, poet, dramatist, painter, novelist, educationist, and a composer. Challenging the conventional education system, he founded an entirely new kind of educational institution called Shanti Niketan. Life of Rabindranath Tagore. He had a great talent in painting and played a vital role in modernizing the Bengali art. Greatly moved by the Jallianwala Bagh massacre and to express his deep reverence from freedom, he gave up his knighthood conferred by the British. These unknown facts about this inspiring personality might interest you greatly. The first one out of Europe to win the Nobel Prize. Rabindranath Tagore got the honor of Nobel Prize for his acclaimed poetical work called Gitanjali. Notably, he was the first non-European to get this most coveted honor. In choosing him for this honor, the Nobel Committee stated, because of his profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse, by which, with consummate skill, he has made his poetic thought, expressed in his own English words, a part of the literature of the West. Vishwa Bharati University. In 2004, the prize was stolen from Vishwa Bharati University. Sometime later, the Swedish Academy gave two exact replicas of the prize, one in gold and the other in bronze, to Vishwa Bharati University. Challenging the conventional education. In 1921, Tagore founded the Vishwa Bharati University at Shanti Niketan. This organization challenged the conventional methods of classroom instruction and took education several steps beyond the traditional standards. Stating his motive behind this great finding, Tagore stated, "Humanity must be studied somewhere beyond the limits of nation and geography." The poet wrote national anthem for other countries also apart from India. The world-famed national anthem of India, namely Jana Gana, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. In addition to that, he has composed national anthems of other countries as well. The Bangladesh national anthem, worded as Amar Shonar Bangla, was composed by Tagore. Also, the lyrics of Sri Lanka's national anthem were given by him. Tagore's relationship with Gandhi and Einstein. Tagore and Gandhi had a great love and reverence for each other. In fact, it was Tagore who conferred the title Mahatma on the father of nation. However, in several issues, Tagore greatly differed from Gandhi. Tagore and Einstein met 4 times between 1930 and 1931. They revered each other, moved by their mutual curiosity to grasp others' contributions, their search for truth, and love for music. More about Einstein. In describing Einstein, Tagore wrote, "There was nothing stiff about him, there was no intellectual aloofness. He seemed to me a man who valued human relationship, and he showed toward me a real interest and understanding." If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.